In this video today, I'm just going to go through this question, which was on a GCSE exam paper in June 23, and it was paper 3F. That was the foundation paper 3 from Edexcel. In this question, it says some students took a guitar exam, and the pie chart shows information about the grades the students got. I can see there's a pass, a fail, a distinction, and most people got a merit. Part A asks us to write down the modal grade. The word modal corresponds to the word mode, which is about the most common. So if I look at the most common grade that was achieved, it was the one that most people got, which was a merit, because there were 150 degrees, which is the largest angle in that pie chart. So I'm just going to write merit on the answer line there, and that would give us a mark there. It then goes on to say that 7 students got a distinction. Well, I know that 7 students was 105 degrees, so I think that I will just start making some little notes about that. 7 students is 105 degrees. Now, I'd really like to figure out how many degrees represented 1 student. And if I divide by 7, I should be able to get the answer there. Now, this is a calculator paper, but I don't have a calculator next to me. And I'm just going to do a little division of 105 divided by 7. 7 divides into 10 once, with 3 left over, and there are 5 7s in 35. So I think that 1 student is 15 degrees. Now, I can see that there's 150 degrees there that's got a merit, so I think that if I multiply that by 10, I think that I've got 10 students there that got a merit, so I'm just going to pop 10 in there. I also know that if 1 student was 15 degrees, I think that 2 students must be 30 degrees, because of course that's twice as big. So I'm going to pop 2 in the 30 degrees category. Now, if I double 30 degrees and get 60 degrees, and double the other side as well, I can see that 4 students would have gotten 60 degrees. However, I want 75, so I've got 60 degrees and 15 degrees, and if I add those together, I get 75 degrees. So therefore, if I add the 4 and the 1, I've got 5 students there. There were other ways to do this question, but I quite like doing it this way. So I can see that 5, 6, 7 plus 7 is 14 plus 10 is 24. In total, the number of students who took the guitar exam must have been 24. On Saturday, the 19th of April, I am running a GCSE Foundation Maths Revision Day, all on the topic of ratio, fractions, proportional reasoning, percentages, compound measures. If you'd like to get a ticket for that, please see my Eventbrite link, which is on my Facebook page. Thanks ever so much. Bye for now.